Okay, so this is the gaming review of RisingOs version 1.0. So right now I have launched the new state, but I just discovered that while it is optimizing the files, it automatically crashes. So I did not expect it from this. You can see the game was optimizing automatically and it crashed by itself. You can see I have run the game again. Let's see how it's happening. And currently I am rooted, so I think this is because of root. So if you want to play new state, don't root your ROM. You can see the optimizing just started and I think it is going to crash now, and I am not doing anything. You can see. And friends, I have tried using the SCR CPUI for screen record, I mean screen mirroring, but the SCR CPUI did not work, so I am recording it manually. You can see it crashed again. So I have lost my interest of doing the gaming review. Even in the BGMI you can see the game crashes. Let's wait until it crashes. And I have added the BGMI, so the game mode is turned on. You can see, and I have already shown the gaming tile or the game space, you can say. So you can see it also crashed. So the last game that I have is the Call of Duty. So just play one match in the Call of Duty, then I will try the script. And friends, one feature in this ROM I forgot to talk about in the review is the LTE plus. Yes, this ROM comes with LTE plus or 4G plus. That means the carrier aggregation is supported in this ROM, and when I use the Geo SIM on this device I get 4G plus. And this is also in Airtel, but I don't have Airtel SIM, although I have it, but I have not recharged the SIM. So that's it. Now let the game launch, then I will show you that the carrier aggregation is supported. So the game is successfully launched. Let's switch to mobile data. So you can see when I switch to mobile data, it is showing 4G plus. So as I said, the 4G plus is now supported, and in later ROMs, I mean in other ROMs too, we will get the 4G plus. So that's a good thing. Developers are improving the device in terms of custom ROM. So let's just play a match without any performance script and without game mode and see the performance. And currently it is set on 60 fps, but you can also set this to ultra, which is 90 fps, but the 90 fps mode rises the temperature, so I did not use that. And I forgot to show the fps, sorry for that. So I have just turned on the fps, and let me just drag it to this side. So you can see the fps is constant at 60. So you can see even with a high ping, we are getting almost 60 fps all the time. So that's a good thing to see. And I am not using any script right now. So now let's use the script. So the script is activated and let's use the GApp Mark II. So we have two APS meters. Let's see the accuracy of both. So you can see the game space APS meter just stopped working and it was freezed for a second. So you can see with the script also we are getting very good performance. So let's now switch to balance mode. So friends, this is it for the gaming review. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you in the next review. Bye bye.